Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series, Organic Chemistry questions for you. Here you have cyclohexanol, side chain you have acid. You are using the reagent polyphosphoric acid and sodium hydroxide. You should find what will be the final product. Here the reaction is very interesting because it has many possibilities. First one, you are using polyphosphoric acid. Polyphosphoric acid promote the carbonyl cation formation, which is acyl cation. So where it will attack is the real question. There are the two chances, A and B, two inhalate possible, but which will be favored? Here the A pathway is favored because it leads to the bridged carbon with less strain. If you go with p hydrogen removal, you have anion, 4-member ring, highly strained pull system. It is a minor product. The concept you have to learn here is polyphosphoric is acyl cation promoter from the acid. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.